Have you ever seen a lightning bolt flash across the dark sky? It looks super bright, but it's also incredibly, unbelievably hot. Think about the surface of our giant, glowing sun way up high. A single lightning bolt is actually 5 times hotter than that fiery surface. That's an amazing amount of fiery heat in one quick, bright flash. The electricity in a lightning bolt gets super, super hot really fast. It can reach a scorching 30,000 degrees Celsius, which is mind-blowing. That's like turning up the heat dial to an extreme, unbelievable level. Imagine something on Earth being hotter than the very core of our sun. This intense power makes lightning truly breathtaking and super powerful. The sky holds many incredible secrets, especially during a big thunderstorm.